The OnePlus 7 Pro pretty much gets confirmed for an event to happen very soon, and we've got rumors on its specifications. Rumors on the Honor 20 keep getting strong as we might seem to get another camera monster here. And it seems that iPads might be able to support mouse input very soon, but not in the way you think. I'm Jaime Rivera, and well, I've spent all day assuming that it's Friday, and that's dangerous when it's barely Tuesday. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with Sprint and AT&T and the fact that both companies have reached a settlement over Sprint's lawsuit about AT&T providing misleading advertisement with 5GE. As it turns out, we don't know if there was any sort of monetary agreement here. What we do know is that AT&T will continue using that 5G evolution, as they call this the first step to 5G, because they're letting consumers know in what areas there is the first step, which is such an irony because I've got 5G on my AT&T SIM card and my data speeds here are trash. And obviously, because there is a certain drama when it comes to one of the foldables that just got launched, which I'm about to return, the biggest question is what will happen to the Mate X? Will there be delays? According to trusted sources, no. Huawei is still on track to launch the Mate X in June. We have no specifics as to when. But that's going to be rather interesting, as we do hear that the Galaxy Fold is going to be delayed a couple of weeks. But if you do the math of a couple of weeks, that's going to be before June. So let's see how that plays out. Now let's talk about iPads and the fact that Apple wants you to believe that these Pro devices are good to replace a computer. To a certain degree, for most people, they are. The problem is the interface. Obviously, you have to be touching the display for certain things. And so we've got rumors that Apple is apparently working on having mouse support on iOS. But the funny part is it's not wireless mouse. Apparently, it's USB mouse, and it's mainly as an accessibility option, which just makes me wonder exactly what Apple is doing here. Stay tuned, we'll see how that goes. Now let's move the spotlight over to the Honor 20, as we're expecting an event to happen in May. And we've been covering some rumors over the reasons why this phone matters, particularly the fact that this is apparently a P30 Pro in almost every way, except the price tag. Apparently we're going to get the same cameras, 48 megapixels, 20 and 8. Apparently we're getting the Kirin 980 processor in addition to a good display. The differences are mainly going to be that instead of 4 cameras, you get 3. And apparently there will be a Pro variant of the Honor 20 and a regular variant. Whatever the case may be, obviously we are going to be covering this live. We are really looking forward to this launch. We'll see what we get in the end. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with OnePlus and the fact that press invitations have already been sent out for an event to happen here in New York on May 14th. And the event doesn't hold anything. OnePlus 7 Pro, or get ready for 7 and fast and smooth and all the slogans. I mean, we pretty much had Peter Lau the other day on record stating that yes, that we would be getting a device that was more expensive with higher specifications, and then apparently there would be a lesser variant, or either whatever the case may be. Let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think? OnePlus 7 Pro, would you be willing to pay more money for a more powerful OnePlus device, or would you still go for the one that's still powerful if they launch a second variant that's probably not as fancy looking, but you know what I mean? Because in my case, I think that I would trust OnePlus to go a little higher on specs and pay a little more money, and I would love the fact that there is still the option to go cheap, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.